Hi, I'm Dave with AutoZone, and today we're going to talk about performance chemicals, specifically fuel injector cleaners. Most modern vehicles use fuel injection, a system that uses precision injectors to supply enough gas for the ideal fuel-to-air ratio in an internal combustion engine. Any issues with a fuel injector can reduce the amount of fuel in the ratio and reduce the efficiency of your vehicle. Newer vehicles are designed to prevent buildup of contaminants from gasoline. Older vehicles are susceptible to buildup and clogs from two main contaminants, ethanol and carbon.
What a fuel injector cleaner does. A fuel injector cleaner clears the nozzles of your fuel injector and your engine's combustion chamber of troublesome carbon deposits. Enhances your vehicle's ability to efficiently burn fuel, meaning you'll likely get better gas mileage and smoother driving experience overall, and keeps your entire fuel system adequately lubricated, minimizing friction and slowing the speed of future deposit buildup. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start with an empty tank. First, choose your cleaner. Next, read the instructions and add the correct amount directly into your fuel tank. Finally, fill up with gas and you're done.
Keeping your fuel injectors clean, clear, and functioning properly is all about staying diligent about ongoing maintenance. As with many potential engine problems, it's always much easier to simply stay on top of an ongoing concern than it is to try to reverse a huge problem later on. For more helpful tips, be sure to like and subscribe.